This will be a hotel room tour of 11109 Gaylord National Harbor, Maryland. Pause if you want to read that. I gotta wet those melons. Coming into the room, sorry, I know. To your right, you have the bathroom. There's me, hi. And the toilet and shower are in a separate room from the sink. Toilet's an American standard. Flush it. Shower. Okay. Let's look at the closet. Here's your closet with your ironing board, safe. Okay. There's me again, hi. Now coming in here, you got two very nice queen size beds. I'm sleeping in this one tonight. There's your TV. Not gonna show that because of copyright strikes. Now if I could open these curtains, let's get a view. It's not that much of a view because we're literally in the middle here, but we're on the 11th floor. That's the upper portion of the hotel. And yeah. Another thing I like about this room is these little book lights. If I could turn them, there we go. See? Very nice touch. Turn that off. Here's your workstation. My iPhone charger is charging. So yeah. Anyways, it's not that much to report, so I will conclude this video now. And you guys have a nice day. Thank you.